How to create name tag in Microsoft Word. Go to Chrome or browser you want to use. Here in browser, search the word.cloud.microsoft. And now here you can see the create blank document. Click this. And now here in your document, to create simple name tag, go to page menu on the upper left side on your screen. Select insert. Here in insert, click or go to drawing here. Here in drawing, on pop-up, so you can see here the shape. So click shape and select rectangle. And draw a rectangle. And after you create a rectangle, you can change the color of this by clicking the shape fill. So for my example, I use color blue. And the outline is no outline. So after that, go to drawing menu again. Go to insert and select shape again. And now select the rounded rectangle and draw inside of this first rectangle. And after that, you can recenter this second rectangle and you can change the color. So go to shape fill here. And for my example, I use white background. And after that, go to insert again in menu of this drawing and insert text box. Okay, click text box and create a text box here. And now you can create name of owner of this name tag. For my example, I insert my name. So after that, okay, remove the outline, shape outline, okay? Go to menu and go to shape outline. And on the right side of this, you can see the arrow down. Click this and select no outline. To resize this name, go to drawing menu again and go to text. Here in text, you can see here the font size, okay? For my example, I set into 39 and I set into bold this letter. And now you can put the name here. To remove this white background, go to shape and select shape fill. Click the arrow down on the right side of the shape fill and select no fill. So the color of background of name is removed. And after that, go to insert again, go to text box and create a box and put my name is. So to resize, go to text, insert the text size. You can change also the font name. For my example, I use STX Shinkai font. So okay, to remove the outline of this, go to shape outline and arrow down on the right side, click this and select no outline. To center this name, go to text and go to text alignment and select align center. And after you create the name tag, click save and close button on the upper right side of this drawing section to save this name tag. And now we have successfully created name tag on Microsoft Word.